Hi everyone. In this class I am going to teach the basics of HTML. Okay? At first, what is meant by HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Why we are calling it as hypertext markup language? What it's meant by? It's nothing but in this HTML pages which we are creating includes hyperlinks. The hyper in here it represents the hyperlinks which we are using in the websites, and the text is nothing but the content which we are using for our website, that content which we are arranging through this HTML. So that here we are calling it as text. And markup language, what's meant by markup? Markup is nothing but to give some extra markup to the HTML pages. Okay, so this is completely what is HTML. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Okay, it is invented by Tim Berners in 1991, and in HTML it is not a case sensitive language. You can use any capital letter or else small letters. There is no problem in using any letters in your HTML. And your HTML file must be saved with an extension of .htm or else .html. Okay, .htm or .htm. And why these HTML pages are used? For creating the web pages. And HTML describes the structure of a web page. These are the main points which including in HTML. Okay. And HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. What's meant by HTML elements? HTML elements are nothing but for any website that you are visiting, you can see the headings, or when you are seeing the content you can see the headings and also paragraphs, right? So to display that headings and paragraphs or else links in a web page, how is it possible to describe those all? It's possible by some of the tags. So that particular tags are called as elements. In HTML we use the elements that are nothing but tags. Okay, I will tell you about those all, don't worry about this. And I will show you the, see here, the elements are nothing but heading tag, paragraph tag and link tag and some more. Okay, and now I will show you the syntax of HTML. This is the syntax of HTML. I will show you how to remember your syntax. Okay, don't worry about this also. I will show you the syntax at first. I'm removing this, and now this is while you're watching, please be careful. You must write every tag in careful. Okay, I will tell you, don't worry, just I am typing the syntax. I will tell you in clear. See here, this is the basic syntax of HTML. Okay, what is this document type declaration here? At first, this is document type declaration which is used to describe the version of HTML. Actually we are changing our versions in HTML, right? So for every application we will use some more applications in different way, and we are changing our versions. In the same way, to describe the version of our HTML we use the document type declaration. Okay, so this is the line which indicates this, and it is HTML. It describes the root element of the HTML pages. this we are calling as tags. So this is the open tag and this is the close tag. Okay, and I told you in this points, see here, the HTML files must be saved with .html or .htm extension, right? So first of all I am saving this file, save. I am saving on the desktop. I am giving it as demo1.html or htm. You can save with any of these things. So that, please observe carefully, it's in black color, right? The complete syntax is in black color. So now when I am saving this file with .htm or .html, you can observe in clear. Okay, see here, I am clicking on HTML so that it indicates that the close tag of HTML also. So this is HTML open tag. This is called as HTML open tag and this is called as HTML close tag. It is the root element of the HTML pages, and inside the HTML we have a head tags and body tag. So this is the head tag, head open and head close, and in the same way body open and body tag close. Most of the people are confusing that whether body tag is included in the head part. So definitely not. You should not include your body part in the head part. Okay, most of them are doing the mistake, like I will tell you, they are including here body. You should not include. You must write your body here itself. Okay, that's good. I will show you this particular syntax in a diagrammatical form so that you can understand in very clear. See this diagram. So to remember the syntax, this picture will helps you to remember for your lifelong. Okay, see here, for every, if you consider a human being with a HTML syntax, if you are a web designer or a web developer, if you see a person in front of you, you just imagine he is nothing but a HTML syntax. Okay, why? Because see here, HTML is the root element of, I told you HTML is the root element of the HTML pages, right? So if you observe here, for any human being, our soul is the main for a being as a human being, right? Being alive. So in the same way, for being HTML syntax alive, the HTML root element is very much necessary. And here I am using HTML open element. Okay, open tag, and at the end I used HTML close element, if you observe here. Okay, this is the image I am showing you. And later on, see here, head tag, for every human being head will be open and later on head will be closed, right? And later on only body will be starting. So body started and body closed. Okay, is it clear? Now this is the main HTML syntax, and there are some other tags which includes in this, right? Like I am including this title tag and h1 tags and p tags also. So how I need to include these all, I will show you. Okay, but whenever you need to remember HTML syntax, please don't confuse, just remember this thing, so you will get very habitual to this diagram, so it will be very easier for you to understand. Okay, and now see this, I will run this command, run launch in Chrome. I did not get any output. Why? Because I did